Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P40 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. Now to get started, you want to pull down the notification panel and you should see at least in here, it's ultra power saving mode. So you can hold this and this will take us to the settings where you can actually enable the normal power saving mode, not the ultra. And as you can see, we have the performance mode, which is the exact opposite of it. Then we have the power saving mode, which is just a normal power saving, and when you enable it, you can see that it will move us to 10 hours and 10 minutes approximately, so that should be about 1 hour more. And also you have the ultra power saving mode, which will basically quadruple our battery, at least life expectancy on the percentage that it is right now on. Now if you enable the ultra power saving mode, it will also change a bunch of things on your device. So as you can see right now on the ultra power or normal power saving mode, the only thing it does is just lowers the brightness and also changes how the notifications are being delivered and how it deals with network connection. So it's not constant as it normally is, it's more whenever you're on the phone. So right now it will be connected to network. When I lock it, it will then disconnect just to save the battery when I don't need it. And let's go back to here. So that is the normal one, but if I enable the ultra power saving mode, you can see this is how the phone will look like. It only has the most useful apps right here, like phone, messages and contacts. Your notification panel is fairly limited. The brightness is even lower. There is no background, and that is due to the fact that it will be filled with more dark area, thus also reducing the need to light that area up and save the battery does. And this is the most extreme way you can save the battery on this device. So this is probably when you really need the phone to last as long as it possibly can. Once you're ready to leave this mode, you can simply tap on the exit right here, and this will go back to the previous mode, I believe. We can quickly check it. So yeah, we're still in power saving mode. So when you disable this, it should go back to normal now. So that is how you would use this, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.